undeniable on-screen chemistry with fellow talented Sparkle actor Mix Padilla. Good looks, real talent, and a whole lot of heart. It's no surprise this Kapuso heartthrob is quickly becoming a fan favorite online. So without further ado, let's give a warm, loud welcome to the one and only Ralph Miyako. Okay, so before we dive into today's exciting lineup, let's give the mic first to the star of the day. Ralph, the floor is yours. Say hi sa mga Miyako Q this morning.
Ay, Miyako Q. Salamat sa pagpunta niyo. So, sa inyo yung Sunday. Excited po tayo sa mga pag-iwas natin mamaya.
Yes!
Welcome sa kauna-unahang get-together natin. Kaya mag-beauty sa God willing, mas marami pa sana sa susunod.